Hello guys, you're welcome again to another wonderful video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to build a logistic website like what you are seeing on the screen. All right, it's very easy, straight to the point, and I tell you, you are going to do something like this, and you can charge your client as much as you can charge. Okay, it's very easy and straightforward. I'm going to be showing you how you can do that step by step. Okay, step by step, and we are going to get this done. So if you look at it, it has the home page. Right, you can see this is the home page, the about us, services, tracking, and contact us. Very simple and straightforward. You can see global logistic and cargo dispatch terminal. I'm going to show you the admin dashboard and also the tracking part of this website. I'm going to show you all of that, and I tell you, it's something that you're going to love because it is very simple and straightforward. Okay, so but before we do that, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, here is my YouTube channel. All we do is three things. We teach you skills that will enable you in and show you how you can thrive online. So all you need to do is to go ahead, subscribe if you have not done so, and make sure you smash that notification bell so you always be notified whenever videos like this are posted on our channel. Okay, so having done that, let's go ahead and start this process, and let me walk you through all the process, and then I will show you how you can do that. Okay, so like I said, right, here's the website. Okay, here's the website. You can see this is the pages and everything. You can see all the pages. Like I said, they have been optimized to suit what you want. You can see air freight, sea freight, air freight, insurance, warehousing, and forwarding. You can see about. You can see all of this. Okay, you can see that. So now moving ahead, let me show you the tracking side. If you come here now, right? If you click on, let me copy this. This is so if you come over, let me just go back to the home page again so that I can show you. If you click on this home, okay, good. So I click on, you can see where it says enter your tracking number, or you can as well click on it from here. You can see you can click on it from here, you can enter it from here. So I click on enter tracking number, then I click on inspect. All right, you will see the tracking. You can see that. You can see the tracking number, you can see booked, you can see transit, you can see delivery, dispatch. Then you can see the map location here. Then you can see the total receipt, and which you can also go ahead and print the receipt. You can, if I click on this now, okay, you can see print receipt. You can see that. You can see that. You can see print receipt still loading. You can print the receipt. You can see how the receipt looks like. Okay, right. You can see that you can print the receipt here. Okay, so that is that. Then let me show you. Let me show you. This is the. Okay, let me go back. You can as well download it. Then you can just close it. So this is it here. Then this is how the receipt look like. Then you can see the map location. You can expand it. You can see. You can expand it to see how it looks like there. Then here is the admin. All right, here is the admin. Let me show you. Okay, here is the admin. All right, let me reload it. Here is the admin. So if you come here now, you can see this thing there. You can see view set and every that. You can see shipping categories. Okay. All right. So if you want to create you can see package. All right, you can click on book new parcel. All right, these are the current one that is there. You can delete. You can see delete here. All right, click on OK. You can see it has been deleted. You can delete anyone. You can see that it has been deleted. Okay, you can see it's very. You can also edit. You can click on it and edit. Let's say I want to edit this one now. I can edit. You can edit anything you want to edit there. You can see that. Okay, so let's go ahead and create. Let's look at how you can create a new parcel. I click on parcel crude, then I click on book a new parcel here. All right, so you can see that now. If you come over to this part, okay, you can see customers identification number. That's this thing. You can see sender information, sender name, sender name. You can see receiver name, destination. You can see that destination. You can see the package weight, the verified weight, services, the service level offered. You can see the product. You can see that. Then you can see the amount. Then you can see the consignment image. All right, then the date, and you can see save information. So this is how you can arrange and book your parcel. All right, so if I click on this now, you can see the on transit, out for delivery, held, delivered. You can see that. Then if I come here now, you can put your tracking number. Okay, so you put your tracking number, you put your sender information, that's your sender name, your receiver name, and all of that, just like the way you have it. Like the way you have it here, you can see the information here now. Look at this. Okay, you can see this now. Consignment, and you can see the weight. Okay, then you can see the location. You can see where it's going to. All right, and if you now check let me check the receipt again so you can see the details in full. All right, let me check it again so you can see the details in full. All right, you can see the way it is here. This is the details in full on the receipt here. All right, the date and the tracking number, the invoice, and everything there. Okay, so having said that, let me go back. Let me cancel this and let's go back. Let's go back. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do this. I'm going to be showing you that so you can see it's a very simple and a straightforward logistic and shipping website. So it's something that you can do without much stress. Okay, I tell you, without much stress, you can get this done and everybody is happy. So having said that, let me show you how you can do this step by step. The first thing you need to do is to have your cPanel. All right, there's my cPanel for this particular project. Here's my cPanel. So if you don't have your cPanel, you can as well reach out to me via the number showing in the description of this video, and I'll help you get a reliable web hosting for your project. Okay, for your project. So having said that, so now if you come here, I'm going to be using a folder. All right, I'll just come here, click on File Manager, and go ahead and create a folder. All right, so I'll open this. So just create a folder. I just call it shipping. All right, then I'll open the folder there, open it. Then I'll go ahead and upload the file. All right, click on select file. All right, so I'm uploading the file now. You can see the file. I've uploaded the file. Then I'll click on go back. Then I'll right click on the file and select extract. Then I'll click on extract file. It's very easy. So while this is extracting, I'll go ahead and create my database. Okay, come here and create my database. All right, I'll call it database here. Okay, so you can see it's still loading. All right, so still very loading. So I can close all of this. So let me show you how you can. Okay, so come here. All right, so just call it. All right, so I'll do that. So I'll come back here again. And then I'll create a user. So let's wait. Okay, so that's the user. So I'm using the same information. So I'll just copy this. All right, so I'll paste it. Then I'll also come here and paste it. All right, so having said that, then I'll go ahead and click on create. Then I'll click on create user. You can see there, click on create user. All right, so remember this is I will copy it. Okay, so I'll just close this one. I will copy it. All right, so once I copy, then I'll come back to my file. Remember I've already extracted. All right, I will load it. Then you come to this config folder, open the config folder. Then you open the two files. You can see db_config. So I'll right click and edit it. Then I will edit it too. So this is the file here. You can see it. So I'll just come here now. You can see the file. So I'll just edit it. You can see what say Royal Ship Street. So I'll just write Control H. Then I'll paste it there. Replace all. All right. Then I'll save changes. This is how you connect your database. Then after that, still close it again. Then come to the second one. Edit it too. Edit. Okay, so you also need to do this one too. You can see it's all right, Control H. Then I'll paste it here. Then replace all. Then save changes. So you can see I've done that. I've connected the database. So the next thing I'm going to do. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I upload my SQL file. Okay, so since I've connected the database, so I'll just save it. Then if you go back again, all right, if you go back, you will see the database. You can see it here. All right, so you can download it to your system and upload it. So I'll go back to this part. Remember, this is the username I just created. So click on all privileges, then click on next step. Okay, so that is that. Now you can see it has been created. So I'll come here now, go to let me close this. So I'll come back here and search for PHP my admin. All right, you can see that PHP my admin. Then I'll go ahead and look for the, you can see this is it here. Okay, so I'll need to upload the file. So click on import, then click on choose file. All right, so I've selected the database. You can see that. So I've selected the database. I'll just come down and click on import. Okay, because you can see it's importing. Very easy. So once this is done now, I'll show you how you can edit your settings and you are good to go. You are good to go. It's very, very easy and straightforward. So let me close all of this. Okay, so let me come back here. All right, so this is the file. So you can see the contact us, you can see the index, all right, which is the home page. Then you can see the print, you can see all of that. The file is very, very easy. So for us to edit now, all right, as you can see it has been imported. All right, so what you do is you come back to your admin. Sorry, before you do that, come to settings. Then you can see the name of the site. You can edit the name of the site. You can see that. Click on edit. You can see the name of the site. You can change the name of the site, the email address, the address. You can change the name. Then if you come down, you can see the name there. You can also change it. Then the every other information there, you can see the receipt signature. So you can change this. So go through your settings and ensure you change all this from the settings. Very, very important. The email, you can see the admin email and the admin details. So remember, this thing you are seeing is password hash. All right, so if I want to do this now, so I can come here. All right, so just put it there. Then I come here and I remove this. Let's say I'm using this now. Then I select, you can see this is the password hash. So put that, then you click on go. So you can see it's very, very important. Change the name. Then the admin information is still here too. So you can as well change the admin email name and email and password. Very, very important. So you can see all of that. So now that you have done uploading the file, so let's test run what we have just done. Okay, so let me see. This is it here. I'm using shipping. I will come back here. Then I will select the file here. All right, so let me see. All right, so let me see. Okay, so you can see the file is loading. Good. You can see that everything that we have done is working perfectly. It's working perfectly. So now let me show you how you can edit the file. So if you want to edit the file, you go back to your file manager. You can see all the files are here. The admin. So just now, okay, before we do that, let me show you how you can log into the admin. Okay, so the admin URL is very, very simple. Okay, is this is it, your site URL.com. if you are using that /, /admin.php. Very simple. This is it. This is your admin URL. So if you copy this now, so in my case, I'm going to be using, remember I'm using a directory, so I will come back here now. All right, so this is it. So I'll copy this. All right, then I come to my notepad. So just remove this, paste this. All right, then I will now copy everything. Then I'll go back to my, all right, I can as well just use, let me see. Let me open a guest, so I'll paste it here. All right, so I can paste it. So you can see this is the admin. Can you see that it's asking for the admin required address and the listing. So for you to get this, and I remember I showed it before, so just come back. Okay, just come back here. So you can see it here. Ensure you change it. Can you see now? Ensure you change it. So click on edit. So you put your this in there, put your information there, and remember to select password hash. So once you do that now, in this case, let me just say mail.com. All right, so let me just do that in this case. So all right, then I'll go ahead and click on go. So I come here now. Okay. All right, then I put this. Okay, so you can see to log me. Can you see now I've logged in? So this is how easy it is. This is how easy it is. So basically everything is perfectly working. So let me log out. Let me just delete this. So I'll come back here now. So I want to set up my page like this. So if you want to do another thing, ensure you edit all the pages. You can see the contact us, the index page. Right click on it and edit. All right, just click on edit. Very, very easy. So you ensure you go through the page and you edit whatever thing you want to edit there. And then if you want to also add your live chat, you can see where the footer is. You can see where the footer is here. So I come back here, you can see include. Then you can see header and footer. So I can come to footer now, right click on edit. So I click on edit. So I can edit the footer. Footer is the down part of your website. Alright, this down part here is the footer. So you can edit it from here. Alright, so you scroll down. So if you also want to add a live chat, this is where you paste your live chat code. You copy it and come back here and paste it here. This way, just create a space here. You can see like this, just create a space here and paste your live chat code. You can see that, paste it there. Alright, then once you are done, you save changes. So if you also come back here to want to edit the header. Alright, so let me come back. Here is the header. I want to edit it. So also click on edit. Okay, so you click on edit the header. So you can see the header. Scroll down. So you can see the header. So basically, just take your time and go through all the code. Alright, take your time and go through all the code. I tell you, it's not that complex. It's very, very easy. The site is very, very simple and something that you can enjoy. Okay, so this is how you can build this particular website. And now, for those of you that would like to have access to this particular file, all you need to do is to reach out to me via the number showing in the description of this video. Okay, send me a DM. I'll tell you and show you how you can get access to it. And if you have any challenge, also do well to reach out to me. Don't forget, like and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. And make sure you smash that notification bell so you'll only be notified whenever videos like this are posted. All right, until then, see you in my next video. Thank you.